Welcome back. Today we're learning prime factorization, the secret way to break a number into its prime building blocks. What does prime factorization mean? Prime factorization means writing a number as a product of prime numbers. Let's learn about prime numbers first. Prime numbers are numbers that have only two factors, 1 and itself. Examples: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. All of these numbers has 1 and itself as factors. Think of prime numbers like Lego bricks. Every big number can be built using only prime Lego bricks. Let's find the prime factorization using factor tree. For the given number 24, consider any two factors. Let's consider 6 and 4. Now write 6 and 4 as the branches of 24. Now, find the factors of 6 and 4. Consider prime numbers if there are. Prime factors of 6 are 3 and 2. Now, 3 and 2 are two more branches of 6. Now, prime factors of 4 are 2 and 2. 2 and 2 are two more branches of 4. Now write all the primes at the end of the branches. We can also write it using exponents. 3 times 2 cube. Let's consider one more example. Find the prime factorization of 45. Start with 45. Pick any two numbers that multiply to 45. Let's consider 9 and 5. Write 9 and 5 as the branches of 45. Now try to factorize the branches again, and 5 is already a prime number. Factors of 9 are 3 and 3. Now write all the primes at the end of the branches. We can also write it using exponents. 5 times 3 square. Awesome! Prime factorization means breaking a number into only prime numbers using factor tree or factors. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe Scientia Plus for more fun math.